YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply, back at it again with another What's in the Box. Today we have Hayward's TriVac 700 top assembly kit, so we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys what to expect and what comes in this box. Alright guys, so we're back. So again today we got a What's in the Box for you guys on Hayward's pressure side pool cleaner. For those of you guys that aren't familiar, check out the links in the description. Hayward has two versions of a pressure side pool cleaner. They have their TriVac 500 and their TriVac 700. The only differences between the two cleaners is typically the functionality that it has. So the 500 is just the 5000 is just a basic on the floor, will just buzz around just like your normal pressure side pool cleaner will. It's a pretty beefy unit. So again, if you guys haven't seen those, they're really cool. You guys should check them out. The 7000 is got one of the coolest features that I like. It actually has a dial on the top, which will allow the cleaner to actually float to the surface and skim the top surface of your pool. So this is a brand new top assembly kit for the 7000. So obviously if you guys have a 5000, buying this is not going to convert you to the 7000. It's a huge internal difference in terms of its functionality. It has additional parts that allow it to work differently, so you guys can't just buy this and be able to upgrade it. So this is meant specifically for the 7000, but when I kind of show you guys different parts of it, just wanted to show you guys or discuss that difference so you guys know what I'm talking about here. So pull this out. This is all they do. They have it all nice and bubble wrapped. As you guys can see, just from the top, you can see what I meant by a beefy cleaner. You can imagine the entire rest of the assembly that has the single wheel in the front and two big beefy tires here in the back. You guys can actually see the like where the wheels would go right here on the hub. So it's kind of an intense cleaner here, but again, this is the 7000. So right here located on the top, you guys can see there's a hole here that's actually meant for a dial that the 7000 has, and then it'll tell you guys if you guys are pushing it one way, it's going to lift the cleaner up to the surface, and then when you guys are ready to clean the bottom of the floor again, you have to switch the dial the other way and the cleaner will start the dive and then sink back down to the bottom. So they do already give you some of the float kits in here, which is kind of nice. It's just a piece of foam here that's all self-cut specifically for this. They've got it all screwed on there with the washers and the screws already for you guys. And then they do have their little float kit here that's already done. And then of course they give you your tubes. A lot of big parts of these cleaners are inside. They have different timer valves and different ports that will allow it to do different things. This has a front jet that will help back it up. It's got rear jets on it. It's a really nifty cleaner. So if you guys really want to know more about it, make sure you guys check out the links in the description and kind of be able to see some pictures of it, as well as maybe some videos of it in action, because it's pretty cool, and I think Hayward did a good job on creating just the one specific pressure cleaner to kind of help achieve what most of the manufacturers do in multiple cleaners. So this is just the top assembly, so all you're going to end up doing is it's pretty much cosmetic. Like I said, you do get some new tubes, which is nice, but it's pretty much just a cosmetic feature. So if you've got dings or if you have breakage, obviously it's plastic, so you're dealing with the same thing in and out of the pool, especially since a lot of pressure cleaners are typically on the north or the east side of the country, so you're dealing with colder weather, so in and out of the pool, as well as chemical composition will affect the plastic. So if you guys are seeing wear on that, then this is going to be what you guys want to purchase. But do not buy this assuming that you guys think it's going to work for the 5000, because it won't. It has that specific cutout here on the top for that dial that only the 7000 has. So again, check out the links in the description for more information, as well as other parts for this cleaner. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a bunch of videos coming out on tearing this cleaner apart for you guys so you can see more of those internals. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.